Hello students, today we will start with exercise 12 of chapter 3 3 digits number on page number 48. Question number first. Monu is reading page number 178 of a storybook. A part. Which page did he read just before page 178? So what number comes before 178? 177. So answer is 177. You just have to write the answer in your notebook after the question. First write down the question, which page did he read just before page 178, and answer is 177. Okay. Now B part, which page will he read just after page 178? Now what comes after 178? It comes 179. So answer is 179. Okay, you have to do these question in your notebook. Ashima is climbing a tall tower. She is on top step. She is on step number 200. A part, which step was she on just before step 200? Okay, we have to tell the step before 200. So which number comes before 200? 199. Answer is 199. B part, which step will she be on after step 200? So what comes after 200? 201. Okay, you just write the number in answers. Okay, no need to write any explanation. Okay. Exercise 13. Fill in the correct symbol, greater, smaller or equals to. Okay, we have to compare 3-digit numbers. Okay, first is 102 and 106. Now when we comparing two numbers, first we have to check the greatest place value digit number. Okay, greatest place value digit is 1 in both numbers, so number first digit is same. Now comes to second, 0 is same. Now third is 2 and 6. So which number is greater in 2 and 6? 6 is greater, so we have to put that symbol. Okay, the opening is show this number is greater. Okay, and this number is smaller. B part, 164 and 149. So compares 100 place digit number, means greatest place digit number 1, both are same. Here tens place digit is 6 and 4. Which one is greater? 6 is greater than 4. So 164 is greater than 149. This opening of sign shows 164 is greater. Okay. Now C part, 129 and 131. Now compare. Ones place digit is 1. Here is also 1. Tens place is 2. Here 3. Which one is greater between 2 and 3? 3 is greater. So 131 is greater. So we have to open this sign where the number is greater. Okay. D part, 232 and 254. First digit is same. Now compare second, 3 and 5. In 3 and 5, which one is greater? 5 is greater, so we will put this sign. Okay. E part, 154 and 220. Here once 100 place digit is 1 and here is 2. Which one is greater? 2 is greater than 1. So we will put the sign like this. Okay. Now you can do the other parts of this exercise. Other parts of this question. Okay. Now question number 2. Circle the smaller number. Two numbers are given. We have to circle the smaller number. 796, 896. Okay. First compare which one is smaller and which one is greater. 796. 100 place digit. First start with 100 place digit. 7 and 8. Which one is greater? 8. So which one is smaller? 796 is smaller. So we will circle the smaller one. Okay. Now B part. 847, 872. Now 100 place is same. Tens place 4 and 7. Which one is smaller? 4. So we will circle 847. C part. 360 and 306. 100 place digit is same. Tens place digit here is 6 and here is 0. Which one is smaller between 6 and 0? 0. So this number is smaller. So we will circle this one. Okay. H part. 567, 765. 100 place digit is 5 and here is 7. Which one is smaller? 5. So we will circle this one. Okay. Now you can do the other parts. C. Circle the bigger number. Here we have to circle the bigger number. In second part we have to circle the smaller. Here we have to circle the bigger number. 438, 469. 400 place digit same. Then tens place 3 and 6. Which one is greater? 6. So this number is greater. B part. 635, 638. Ones place 100 place is same. Tens place is same. Now ones place here 5 and here is 8. Which one is greater? 8. So this number is greater. Okay. C part. 111, 128. 100 place is same. Tens place is 1 and here is 2. Which one is greater? 2. So this number is greater. Okay. And when we compare 2 digit by 3 digit number, okay, here 77 is 2 digit number and 777 is 3 digit number. So in comparing 2 digit and 3 digit number, 3 digit number is always greater than 2 digit number. Okay. Now you can do the other 4 parts. Question number 4. Take on the greatest number and put a cross on the smallest number. 4 numbers are given. We have to tick the greatest number and put a cross on smallest number. Now 339, 745, 225, 174. First compare the 100 place digit number of all 4 numbers. 3, 7, 2, 1. Which one is greater among these 4 numbers? These 4 digits? 3, 7, 2, 1. 7 is greatest. So we have to put a tick on greatest. Means 745 is greatest. And 3, 2, 1. Which one is smaller? 1. So we will put a cross on number. Okay. B part. 856, 98, 568, 859. 3 numbers are 3 digit numbers and 1 is a 2 digit number. So this is the smaller one. Okay. So we will put a cross on it. And which one is greatest? 858. Okay. 5 is smaller than 8. So among these 2 numbers, which one is greater? Now tens place digit is 5. Here is also 5. Ones place is 6. Here 9. Which one is greater? Means this is greater. Okay. Now you will do the other 2 parts. 5th, write in ascending order, and 6th, write in descending order. What we have to do? We have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. First, find out the smallest one among these 4. 500 place digits 5, 3, 7, 2. Which one is smaller? 5372 2 means this number is smaller, 223. Okay, now second, after 2 what comes? 3, 322. Okay, now 7 and 5, which one is smaller? 5, so 567, and after that 765. Okay, fourth part, B and C part you have to do with yourself. I am doing D part. 665, 66, 556, 55. Two numbers are 3-digit numbers and 2 are 2 digits. So first write the smaller one, means the smaller one is 55 or 66. Now compare 66 and 55. Tens place is 6 and here is 5. Which one is smaller? This 5, 55. After 55, 66. Now compare 665 and 556. Tens 100 place digit is 6 and here is 5. Which one is smaller? 556. And after 556, 665. Okay, same sixth part, right? In descending order, you have to put these numbers in descending order. Okay, I have done the first 2 part. You can do the other 2 parts. No need to do exercise 14. Okay, your chapter is completed here. Okay, thank you.